I was racing semi-pro. I bumped up to the pro class and had some great success, racing with the best guys in the world. So things were going excellent until December 2008. The instant I hit impact of the ground, I had the worst pain ever. At no point did I think it was going to be amputated.
I was an engineer in the 244th Engineer Battalion with the United States Army. I was acting as rear security, and we came under attack. We got ambushed, and I was hit with an RPG. Looking at my leg and just seeing it mangled, and I knew it was going to be gone. And I just remember thinking, well, I guess I won't snowboard anymore.
The spring of '09 is when I found out about the X Games Adaptive Supercross and read into that, and that was the catalyst. That's what got me going. Like, I need to design something. I want to be out there racing with those guys. And I'm drawing pictures and got little cardboard cutouts, cycling it and trying to figure that out. And so then I came up with the linkage system to allow that to happen. Made a couple adjustments to the shock, to the dampening, and brought it home and took about 10 steps over to the dirt bike, fired it up, and just pinned it down the ditch through the mogul section. And within about a minute, I knew I was onto something. And my smile was from ear to ear. I was like, holy cow, this is gonna work. That moment on, it's been a little more about how I can help other guys do it than just making myself able to be out on the racetrack. So once I got the moto into production, I started getting it out to a couple people, and Keith Deutsch is one of them. He's a military veteran, and he's a snowboarder. I brought a demo unit for him to try out, and so I got him all set up on it, got strapped in. We get down to the bottom of the run, and he looks over and he just gives me the biggest high five. He's like, dude, this thing is awesome. I haven't boarded like this since I had two good legs.
Mike, through manufacturing, is touching lives. It's a great example of how manufacturing redefines what's possible, and we see this all around us all the time. It's a very exciting world to be part of.
The person standing at the machine tool, making components of this leg, he's almost an extension of the doctor, an extension of the therapist. He is directly hands-on producing something that is going to dramatically improve someone's life.
The thing I love about this story is it's not just chips flying, a part being made. This is Mike and the machinist working together to rebuild and redesign what actually becomes part of Mike's body.